The blue-fronted Amazon, one of the most beautiful parrots in the world, captivating species known for its vibrant colors and charming personality. The blue-fronted Amazon, scientifically known as Amazona estiva, is renowned for its striking appearance, with its brilliant blue feathers adorning its forehead and vibrant green plumage covering its body. This parrot stands out as a true masterpiece of nature. Apart from its stunning physical features, the blue-fronted Amazon possesses an engaging personality. These parrots are highly intelligent, playful, and possess a remarkable ability to mimic human speech. Their entertaining nature makes them ideal companions and popular pets among bird enthusiasts. Native to South America, blue-fronted Amazons inhabit various regions, including Brazil, Paraguay, and Bolivia. They thrive in dense forests and are often spotted in flocks, emitting loud and distinctive calls that echo through the treetops.